Hi there, it's Michel, content creator at Rapper. Rapper is an awesome tool for creating patterns in a wide range of styles. You can work with any type of image in Rapper, like a photo, a painting or an illustration, and turn it into many beautiful different patterns in just minutes. In today's video, I'd like to give you some inspiration with an interesting technique we've never talked about before. The technique is making patterns from patterns, which is a great way to create richer, more intricate patterns. Now you might be asking yourself, why would I want to do that? If I want a more complex pattern, can't I just repeat a larger part of my source image? The reason is that what makes a pattern attractive is a balance between similarity and variation, between simplicity and complexity. And let me show you what I mean. Before we start creating our pattern from a pattern, I'd like to explain that there are two ways of doing this in Rapper. The first approach is finding a source image with a pattern and just using that. This is fairly simple. You just upload a pattern and make more patterns from it. Works great, and as you can see, it produces patterns that have more intricate repetition going on, simply by building on an image that already has a motif in them. Now let's look at a second approach, which is making a pattern in Rapper, exporting and then re-importing it. Let's move into Rapper. We can start off with any image. As I play around with the tiling, rotation, selection area and zoom size, I am looking for a nice and simple pattern to build my next pattern on. I like this one. Next, go to the Export tab, select a large size with 2 or 3 repeats, hit Export and make sure to save it on your computer. Now go back to the Pattern tab, hit Change Image and upload your new pattern. From here, I can start iterating and explore what happens when I repeat this pattern with various tilings. A few thoughts on what works well. Keep the original pattern fairly simple. The intricacy will come into the next iteration. Combine tilings with different reflection angles to get lots of diversity. Examples are straight like facade, hexagonal like honeycomb, or diagonal like Cairo. You can even go wilder with the metamorphosis mixed in. See the link to the related video. Because the pattern source image is repeated, the effect of the metamorph can sometimes be subtle. It is also cool with penrose tiling, though keep in mind that the penrose itself is not a repeating tile. What you will notice is that patterns like these create a lot of variations in detail within a theme of just a few elements. There is also a resolution benefit. As the original pattern becomes the building block of a higher level pattern, your new pattern's resolution is typically larger. This is a great way to get real high resolution patterns, assuming you start with a reasonably high resolution pattern to begin with. This method also works for vector images like SVGs, where you don't have to worry about resolution at all. I hope this video gave a lot of inspiration and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the little bell icon. Are there any topics you would like us to make a video about in the future? Please let us know in the comment section below. Would you like to try it in Rapper yourself? You can do this by visiting rapper.app. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a wonderful day.